Welcome back, Flare community. So you want to vote in FIP01, the first Flare improvement protocol coming to the Flare network. Well, that's exactly what we're going to do in this video. So, as I'm sure many of you are aware, there is a proposal that is going to change a lot of different things for the future of the FLR token, and one of them being the distribution method. As you can see in this diagram, we're actually expected to be able to vote on Saturday the 21st. Now, I had a quick peek on the website and we're actually able to do it now, which is a little bit strange, but we're going to go through the walkthrough and I'm going to show you exactly how you can vote and make your voice heard. Now, before we do jump in, I would highly recommend reading the proposal in full before you actually make a decision. Now, this is the Flare portal. It's a Web3 website that you're able to connect your wallet to and participate in this proposal. You're going to be able to do this through a number of different wallets, whether that's Bifrost, whether that's MetaMask, whether that's the DCENT wallet. All websites have to be accessed through a web-enabled browser. I'm currently on a desktop using the MetaMask extension, but you can access this through the Bifrost wallets in-app browser, the DCENT wallets in-app browser, or any other wallet which facilitates the ability to connect to Web3 websites. And this expands beyond the scope of just this proposal. If you want to interact with DeFi platforms or NFT marketplaces, you just have to use the browser that is able to connect to your wallet. So as you can see here, we have the amount of tokens, and this is basically the amount of votes that you have. That's basically representing your WFLR balance. And if we go down here, we can actually see a list of all of the current proposals. Obviously right now for the Flare network, there is only one, FIP01, and this is to widen the FLR distribution and also reduce inflation. So from here, we can actually see the voting start and the voting end period, which lasts exactly 1 week. There is the proposal description, which you may want to check out, and this gives you all of the details about what the proposal actually contains. Over here, we have the technical info. We can just pull that down, and it shows you the vote calculation block. And this is basically a block on the Flare network, which was almost like a snapshot to identify how much WFLR you held at that specific time. That amount is then translated into votes. Now, if we scroll down here, we can actually see the current results. You can see an overwhelming support for this proposal so far at 96.89%, and there are 3.11% voting against this proposal. Now, if we look at the bottom here, we can actually see a condition for this vote actually passing, and that is if more than 50% of all the votes cast are in support of the proposal. Now, all you actually have to do, it's very simple, is you can either choose to vote for or vote against it. Now, I've made my position on this proposal very clear, so I'm going to vote for this, but of course I encourage you all to make your own decisions. Simply click your option, click on confirm, and we just have to wait for the network to confirm the transaction. And hey presto, there we go. So we have actually voted. You can see at the bottom right there that the transaction was successful. So just to give you a brief rundown on the Bifrost wallet, you will see this as your home screen. All you have to do is click on the bottom here at these 4 squares. This is how you access your browser. And I've actually bookmarked this page, but you can find it by typing into the search bar at the top this URL, portal.flare.network/voting. And I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. Once you click that, you will be greeted with a screen like this. And as you can see at the top, it looks like I'm currently on the Ethereum network. If you give that a quick tap, you'll be able to select the network that you want to connect to. Obviously, with this being a Fleur proposal, we want to connect to the Fleur network. Give that a little tap and click on Connect Wallet. Now we're in the Bifrost app, so we can select the Bifrost wallet, but if you are using any other application, such as a DCENT wallet, you can just click on Wallet Connect. This is more like a general option. Confirm that you want to connect. And there we go, we just scroll down as we did before, click onto the proposal, and if we scroll down again, we're actually going to be able to vote. I've actually already voted. I have this wallet connected to MetaMask in addition to Bifrost, but you would just go through the same process of selecting either vote for or vote against, and obviously confirm the transaction. It really is that simple. So that is pretty much it. If you are interested in the Songbird and Fleur network, please feel free to subscribe. I've been creating content consistently surrounding this ecosystem for the past 2 years. Going forward, I will continue to create support videos and tutorials for everything that you can find relating to the Fleur network, in addition to various strategies and guides through certain applications. So with that being said, I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Please take care and enjoy your weekend. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.